What if the computer sitting on your desk right now is about to become something fundamentally different, not just faster, but genuinely intelligent in ways we've never experienced before? NVIDIA and Microsoft have just announced a sweeping collaboration that could redefine what a personal computer actually means in 2024 and beyond. This isn't incremental progress. This is a deliberate, coordinated pivot toward making artificial intelligence not something you access through the cloud, but something that lives directly on your machine, responds to you personally, and works entirely within your own private environment. At the heart of this partnership is the integration of NVIDIA's RTX AI technology with Microsoft's Windows platform, specifically the new Copilot Plus PC initiative. And when you start pulling at the threads of what that actually means, the implications are striking. Microsoft is essentially redesigning Windows around a neural processing unit, a dedicated AI chip that handles machine learning tasks separately from your CPU and GPU. But NVIDIA is taking that concept several steps further by bringing the raw, staggering power of RTX graphics architecture into the personal AI equation. Consider what that actually unlocks. NVIDIA's RTX GPUs contain Tensor Cores, specialized hardware originally developed for data center workloads and professional AI research. Now those same cores are being optimized for consumer Windows machines. We're talking about AI inference capabilities that, until very recently, required server racks and enterprise budgets. That computational muscle is now potentially sitting inside a gaming laptop or a creator workstation on someone's home desk. What does that translate to in practical terms? Microsoft's integration means features like real-time AI-powered image generation, local large language model execution, intelligent noise cancellation, semantic search across your personal files, and live captions, all running locally without sending your data to a remote server. That last point deserves serious attention. Privacy has been the Achilles heel of cloud-based AI. When your AI assistant processes everything on your own hardware, the entire conversation about data sovereignty changes dramatically. This collaboration also signals something important about the competitive landscape. Both companies are clearly watching the rise of Apple Silicon, which has been quietly building neural engine capabilities into its chips for years. The NVIDIA-Microsoft alliance is in many ways a direct countermove, a declaration that the Windows ecosystem isn't ceding the AI hardware race. By combining Microsoft's operating system dominance with NVIDIA's unmatched position in AI acceleration, they're attempting to build a platform that can compete not just with Apple, but with the broader cloud AI infrastructure that companies like Google and Amazon have spent billions constructing. There's also a developer angle here that shouldn't be overlooked. NVIDIA is opening its TensorRT LLM framework and AI enterprise tools to Windows developers through this partnership. That means software creators building on Windows can now optimize their applications to run AI workloads efficiently on RTX hardware without needing a PhD in machine learning. Lower the barrier to entry, and you accelerate the ecosystem. It's the same playbook NVIDIA used to dominate scientific computing. Make the tools accessible, and the talent follows. But thoughtful analysis demands we ask the harder questions too. Who genuinely benefits from this in the near term? The reality is that the most capable RTX AI features will initially live on premium hardware, high-end laptops and desktops that most consumers haven't purchased yet. The democratization of personal AI is a genuine long-term goal, but the short-term beneficiaries are enthusiasts and professionals who can afford the entry price. And deeper still, as our computers become more personally intelligent, more attuned to our habits, our files, our communication patterns, are we prepared for what that relationship actually means? We've spent decades shaping our tools. Now, quietly, our tools are beginning to shape themselves around us. The age of the personal computer may be over. The age of the personal AI has just begun.